Hey, it's Zombie, and I'm getting back to the beauty basics videos that I've done before. And today's video is going to be on skincare. And right now I'm just showing you the products that I'm going to be using in this video today. Serum should always go first, and today I'm using Elizavecca's Pore. It is the lightest thing in your skincare regimen, and then you can just rub it into your skin, and it absorbs very quickly into your pores. I like to rub in an upward motion and circular motion. That way I'm not pulling down on my face and making it, saggy. All patted in. Next is face cream, gel, lotion, cream, whatever you like. I'm using Elizavecca's Aqua Water Drop Moisturizer. You want to dab it on your forehead, chin, cheeks, nose, and rub it in to get the moisture all over your face, and it will lessen the waste of your product. Next is eye cream or eye serum, eye gel. They have so many different types out there. But I'm using EFG's Bomber Eye Serum. And it's best that when you rub this in, you try not to tug on your thin skin below your eyes. And it's best if you pat it in. If you're going out during the day, you definitely need to apply sunscreen. If it's in your moisturizer, then you're already set. I hope you guys enjoyed this Beauty Basics skincare video. And I hope everybody has a great day. Bye.